Mr. Green, we're talking about here that we're gonna make a question, so just wait up.
Oh, hello. Hi there.
Hi there. You have to be here a bit because otherwise
Oh,
I
yeah.
cannot see you. Okay, what's the next topic?
Wait.
Okay.
Last topic or next topic is uh, if I could tell my ex one thing. So
It's not off, it's just not there. They were asking like the mic was off. It's not because like the
It's
mic
not.
was there.
The mic was there.
Yeah. Later on we'll change again. But yeah, okay, come again.
The question is if I could tell my ex one thing.
Mm.
What would you say to your ex if there were no consequences?
Oke, apa? Hear me out. Jadi
Oke.
pertanyaan is like kalau kamu bisa kasih tahu mantan kamu satu hal apa?
Apa yang akan kamu sampaikan ke mantan kamu kalau tidak ada consequence?
Kalau nggak ada konsekuensi. What does that mean?
Like, what would you say now to your ex if there were no consequences? No. What would you say? No, okay. More like, if you meet your ex now and you can say anything to her.
I know, I can say this. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna say this. Fuck you.
Like, fuck you for making my life miserable. Like, fuck. Oh, no, I cannot say that. I can get banned.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
shit.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Okay.
Duck you for hurting me. Duck you for making my life miserable. Duck you for everything you just did that makes my anxiety rose up like that high. Well, I hope you don't deserve it.
No, but would you want to know
No, I don't say
what
that.
go wrong? If me, I think I would ask like, what go wrong back then?
What
Because
goes
we
wrong
were
back then?
younger, right? Like,
Yeah.
what goes wrong? Like, no, I know maybe now we are not meant, but
Yeah.
but maybe at some point people would want closure and they would like us what happened back then, what happened then, right? It wouldn't change what happened now, but
Yeah.
some people just want to know what happened then, right?
Mm.
Would you want to know? I think I would, but I know that wouldn't change a thing, even though we're just not together, right? Yeah.
Kalau gue, I can kasih masukan is like, you know, yang lu udah lakukan ke gue, jangan lakuin lagi ke orang lain. Because you know what, I will di hubungan itu gue udah kayak, you know, I try to be the bigger person. Yaitu adalah, I have to teach you a lesson. If we break up, I have to teach you a lesson. And you know, next relationship, don't do that to other people, or just don't be in a relationship yet until like you're ready to be in a relationship.
Yeah.
So that's what I have to say.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
too. Let's see.
Okay. After this, we're gonna open like questions, like discussion. That's what I was thinking
Do
to
you
do.
still carry unspoken feelings? Was there something you needed from them that you never got? I wish you treat me better.
Yeah, I wish
I
that.
wish you treat me better back then
Oh.
because I feel like that time I was like our earlier topics. I feel like I'm giving more
Mm,
and I didn't receive as much.
Mm.
So I feel like I was treated better. Yeah.
me too. I wish that you wouldn't cheat on me. I wish if you would not have cheated on me, I probably wouldn't make a big deal out of it. I probably still could give the best whatsoever.
Yeah.
But because you cheated on me and you actually make fun of my own insecurities, I don't respect that. And yeah, so you have to learn better in like the upcoming relationship. And I do know that I deserve better
Yeah.
somehow.
You deserve
right?
better.
Yeah.
Everyone deserves better.
Everyone deserves better, correct. Yeah, so what is it again?
I think that's about it.
No, we have to talk more about it. Like since okay. Uh should we do a question? No. What are the things you want to talk about relationship?
What else? What else?
Kalau menurut gue kayak the second topic is actually very ini. What was the second one?
The second topic is about freedom and commitment.
Yeah. Oh, no. The first one is about
When you love more.
ah. Okay. So when you love more, this is what I think. It's good to actually show that you love someone sebenarnya.
Yeah, it is.
Jangan dikotakin, oh gue cuma bisa sayang sama tuh orang kalau gue ngerasa disayangi, ngerti gak sih?
Bener.
Tapi gue tahu susahnya karena like you're actually put it in the box so that kalau gue I wanna be treated fairly. Jadi kalau tuh orang nggak actually show me that she loves me, it's gonna be very hard for me to show that I love you juga karena I want a fair world, ngerti kan? So ya gue merasa gue terlalu ngotak-ngotakin sehingga gue nggak bisa love fully. Karena gue takut if I love fully dan partner gue nggak love me fully, gue ngerasa it's a one-sided love dan gue akan ngerasa kayak this is just sad, you know. But eventually you have to learn to love more. Makanya gue bilang when you're actually dating someone, try to give your all
Tapi
constantly.
do you prefer orang itu ngomong I love you atau they don't say it but they
Nah,
actions?
Oh,
That's
no.
also
Okay, the
important.
question
That's
is
also
more
very-
like this.
ya nggak sih?
Okay, kalau itu gue value action more than words sebenarnya. Tapi gue pernah question myself gini. Lu mendingan setiap hari partner lu bilang I love you atau mereka ngomong I love you pas mereka mau ngomong I love you when they really feel it. Ngerti gak?
Oh,
Ngerti gak?
ngerti,
Kayak misalnya
ngerti.
every night misalnya before
love
bed
you,
I would
love
say
you,
I love
love you,
you,
love
good
you,
night,
yeah.
or it's just okay, good night. But then like some kind of like random situation I say oh I love you. Which one do you? I mean I wanna get both roles sih. Cuma
I
kan
wanna get
maksudnya
a both actually, tapi ya iya pasti action gede harus refleksi. Soalnya kalau lu ngomong-ngomong awal kayak misalnya you just started in a relationship terus tiba-tiba ngomong kayak I love you. Orang mungkin awalnya pikir kalau lu nggak pernah in a relationship pasti lu feel oh shit I get people say I love you to me, tapi lu sebenarnya nggak pernah gini.
tiap hari bilang I love you lah. What if like
No, tiap hari
Amanda
bilang,
tapi
kadang kalau actions yang gak reflect ya sama aja dong ya, maksudnya kayak ya tiap hari mungkin gini, mungkin kalau udah pacaran lama ya tiap hari ngomong, tapi kalau misalnya baru mulai pacaran terus tiba-tiba call atau text kayak I love you, kan aneh ya, belum buktiin apa-apa tuh udah ngomong I love you. Mungkin orang yang pertama kali pacaran kayak wah ini orang ngomong I love you kayak jadi kepak, tapi habis itu kan lu pasti mau
gue nggak ada action
pasti
kan.
mau membuktikan kan,
Iya.
ini orang ngomong I love you beneran gak sih dia I love you gua gitu kan sebenarnya. Ini kayak kalau udah lama relationship ya mungkin nggak apa-apa ya, tapi kalau misalnya baru-baru ya mungkin lo harus bener-bener minute lah gitu.
Ngerti
terus
dong,
by
pasti.
reflection orang itu gitu.
Tapi kalau misalnya gue bilang konteksnya itu oke, kita put aside effort untuk kayak physically atau apapun ya. Let's just say kayak dengan bilang would you prefer every day your boyfriend would say I love you every day atau just I love you nggak kayak every day tapi kayak on a certain random moment
Ya mau
saja.
dua-duanya lah.
Ya nggak bisa aja pilih satu.
Ya kadang orang butuh assurance juga nggak sih ngomong kalau udah pacaran lama pasti lo butuh reassurance. Ya orang masih lo sama gue atau enggak gitu nggak sih?
Iya sih.
Konteksnya kan kayak gitu iya nggak sih guys?
So kadang satu gue pikirnya gini loh, kalau gue dibilang I love you terus kayak rasanya oh enak gitu
Ya
loh.
mungkin ya benar.
Tapi
emang.
kalau setiap hari dibilang I love you juga, ya ini belum tentu genuine, ngerti gak? It's just like kayak, kayak template aja, oke I love you, good night gitu loh, ngerti gak? Tapi kalau misalnya kayak kita lagi ke jalan, mendadak kayak, hey, terus dia bilang kayak, what? Coba deh, hey.
Gak bisa merinding langsung. Hey, I love you gitu.
No, like, I say, hey.
Hey.
No, I said, hey.
you say,
You
hey.
respond to my hey.
Hey.
Because we're walking. I said, hey to you. And what
Hey.
did you say?
Yeah, hey.
Okay, again.
Hey.
I love you.
Gak langsung merinding kayak gitu.
So, would you rather have that kayak on random moments?
Ya ini random moments juga nggak apa-apa, cuma kan kadang nggak usah tiap hari nggak apa-apa, tapi occasionally misalnya seminggu, misalnya nggak usah di timing lah, kayak seminggu berapa kali nggak usah, tapi lebih yang kayak sesekali oh ya hey ya gitu nggak apa-apa.
Because kadang gue nahan-nahan untuk ngomong kayak things like that just because like I wanna say it when I really mean it. Ngerti gak sih?
You don't always love them all
Yeah,
the time.
obviously we wouldn't be able to like feel kayak oh I love you at this moment. Kayak maksudnya even when we're fighting it's hard to say even the word I love you gak sih? Right? Kalau gak dibalas aku bilang I love you terus sampai dibalas I love you too. Ini emang lawak sih ini Amanda ini nih. But yeah, that's gak aku memaksa katanya. Nih aku tapi jujur bilang I love you terus sih tiap malam kalau ada pacar sih.
Berarti kamu sangat penyayang.
Dia But anyways, iya.
Nggak apa, itu preference masing-masing sih.
Benar,
How
benar.
you would want your partner to feel. Misalnya mereka kurang ngomong I love you, sebenarnya kita tinggal ngomong ke mereka, kok kamu nggak pernah ngomong I love you sih? Atau misalnya, sebenarnya kamu sayang aku nggak sih? Gitu kan. Baik lagi sih, misalnya tapi orang lain nggak bisa dipaksain untuk ngomong lu ngomong I love you sekarang nggak?
Betul,
Nggak
betul,
bisa
betul,
juga
betul.
kan,
So,
kayak gitu
okay.
sih.
Ya lucu sih soalnya gue juga kagak dibilang I love you, tapi kalau I love you terus kayak genuine
Garing.
gak sih gitu kan. Dia bilang tapi sama anak aku juga aku bilang I love you sama harus dibalas juga. Of course lah, kalau gak dibalas sedih banget gak sih, kayak hey I love you,
Tapi I
thank
feel like
you.
zaman sekarang tuh kayak mungkin zaman yang sekarang ya, maksudnya us and mungkin yang ini ya, kayak mereka tuh lebih yang kayak mungkin karena I don't know how's your parents, tapi my parents don't always say I love you gitu.
Oh, they
Enggak,
don't.
they don't.
No,
Kayak
they
older
don't.
parents don't say that
I
gitu
think
kan.
it's generally all Asian parents
They
kayak
don't
yang
say that.
anaknya born in the 90s or early
Iya,
20s
kayaknya
pasti
enggak.
begitu
Jadi
deh.
kayak I feel like sekarang tuh banyak banget our age yang older parents kan. Jadi kayak mereka tuh ngomong kayak gitu ke anaknya, terus mungkin anaknya udah lumayan kayak 3-4 years old terus bisa
Iya.
bales. I feel like that's how you should. Mungkin kayak bule kali ya, bule kan
Iya.
sering banget selalu ngomong kayak I love you atau kayak gitu
True,
kan. Jadi
true.
kayak they really express their feelings. Gak cuma kalau misalnya kita mungkin Asian kayak kita sekarang kayak ngomongnya pas
No stereotypical
pas
atau apa ya?
ya
Ini
pas
maksudnya.
misalnya pas ulang tahun atau misalnya pas mau pergi misalnya antar ke bandara antar anaknya sekolah atau apa kan kalian baru ngomong kayak gitu kan. Jadi kayak ya sekarang mungkin orang udah lebih ke bule. I feel like itu lebih proper sih karena
Yeah.
you can express your feelings more and
True.
kayak I always see my sister tapi dia gitu dia kayak ya my sister just answer that but I know I think she acknowledge she knows gitu she knows how to express her feelings. Jadi kayak nowadays kids I feel like ya harus express the feelings sih nggak kayak
Yeah.
kita dulu kayak semuanya ya
I think you should.
Iya.
I think you should, cause you know what? Kayak kadang ya, gara-gara kayak gitu ya, we cannot express ourselves, and when we wanted to, the time udah telat.
iya
Ngerti
makanya
gak?
you have to express our feelings now
Tapi
more.
you know, because upbringing kita as in the Asian culture, it's hard to really say I love you, cause we weren't really raised kayak having to say those words. Agak kayak kayak
Tabu agak bukan tabu sih
apa
kayak
ya?
nggak biasa
Uncomfortable
nggak ya
aja
comfortable
gitu
aja
lah. Although
gitu.
I mean I just say inside like, oh I love you.
Iya
But I don't really say, oh, I love you,
Iya,
mom,
iya.
dad gitu kayak.
Iya,
Kayak
nggak
it's just so
kayak bule
cringe.
gitu kan. Iya,
Iya,
cringe
iya,
bener.
iya.
Kalau bule kan kayak love you mom,
Iya.
love you gitu kan kayak
Iya,
biasa
iya.
banget. Kalau
Iya.
Asian kita tuh kayak nggak sih. Mungkin yang kita yang ke bawah mungkin akan lebih open and stuff lah.
Sure. So, when you have kids later on,
Yeah.
would you want them to call you by your name?
Of course not lah, your name
No,
gila
no, no,
aja.
no, no. Maksudnya kan kadang ya, when you call it by name, it can sound friendlier.
No lah. Maksudnya
No,
call your
misalnya
parents
gini
by
nih.
your name.
Misalnya, if you say, okay, ini bukan ngomongin kayak respect atau gimana
Iya.
banget ya. Misalnya if you say, oh mom or dad, gini, gini, gini. Tapi misalnya, your name is misalnya Jason. Hey Jason, can I go to...
No. Call by no, you have to respect
Because
sih. No.
out there, it's like calling out first name.
No, not all bule
I mean,
do that.
kecil-kecilnya.
Nggak, ya gini.
Oh, they still use mom and
No,
dad
for
though.
their parents they still use mom or dad, but
Yeah.
maybe for some yang mungkin sopan panggil temen mamanya atau temen siapa yang lebih tua nama, tapi kalau misalnya yang masih diajarin respect pasti nama panggil itu misalnya kayak hey aunt siapa gitu,
Iya,
say
iya,
aunt
iya, iya.
Sally gitu
Iya,
kan.
iya,
Jadi
iya.
kayak tergantung upbringing, tapi
Iya.
when you grow older misalnya our age ya kita
Iya.
kalau panggil orang lebih tua ya kalau di bule ya panggil nama misalnya kayak hey Jake gitu,
Iya,
misalnya
iya,
kayak
iya,
gitu
iya.
kan lebih
Iya.
yang udah grow up, tapi kalau masih kecil masih panggil itu sih.
Right,
Kalau nggak,
of course.
unless ya the bulanya ini banget kayak
Yeah.
oh nggak apa panggil nama aja ya itu
Yeah.
beda cerita kan.
Uh-huh.
Gitu
Okay.
sih.
So, and then what else ya? Kalau misalnya, do you have any questions?
I don't.
You don't? Oh, actually, I do.
You do have
Hold on.
questions.
I do have
You
questions.
have questions.
I do have question. Hold on. So the question is actually this one though. It's a very interesting question. It says,
Apa tuh?
long distance, long talks. How couple make it work? Since you've ever did long distance relationships, kan?
Ya.
Gimana? Kayak how do you work on long distance relationship? Because honestly, gua nggak bisa.
Masalahnya my long distance relationship is during COVID ya, so you can't go anywhere juga.
Oh.
It's during COVID, so you can't go anywhere.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
stuck.
Tapi kalau COVID kan okay lah, it's a fair world lah. No one can actually
Yeah,
go out.
exactly. That's why
Kalau misalnya this is not COVID, misalnya you were
the one
somewhere.
but the one I'm facing is during COVID. Jadi kayak ya after COVID kelar 2 years udah enggak. Jadi iya, after COVID udah kelar enggak, jadi ya apa sih? But again ya itu trust sih. Tergantung, makanya balik lagi. Maksudnya how do you trust your partner? Nah pas me long distance terus kena COVID.
It
Jadi
is.
there's no choice to actually ya udah mau gimana orang COVID ya. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak COVID ya bingung juga sih.
Oke, kalau misalnya gini deh, lu lagi pacaran sama misalnya namanya siapa? We wanna call that
Andy.
Andy. Misalnya Chloe, you're actually dating Andy di Jakarta gini. Mendadak Andy harus keluar kota for work atau sekolah lagi. What are the chances you guys broke up?
Ya
Will
again.
you stay atau you will feel uneasy dulu atau I don't know how you work things like that. Kayak misalnya udah di sini udah setahun dulu dah. Terus mendadak dia harus keluar kota keluar
Mungkin
negeri
lebih
lah.
yang
Let's
kayak
not keluar kota lah, keluar negeri lah. It's quite far out there. Yang maksudnya you cannot always constantly visit him or her.
mungkin lebih yang kayak ya itu you have to trust them. How do you trust? How big is your trust on them?
Pasti ada
What's
feeling
their-
uneasy-nya dong.
Iya pasti.
How
Cuman
would you know kalau misalnya he plays behind your back? Oh, no, ada nggak kayak cara
masalahnya
preventifnya?
kan balik lagi dengan karakter orangnya.
Iya.
How well you know his character
Ngerti.
not to cheat on you.
Misalnya,
Maksudnya I know this Andy tuh his character is very he won't cheat on me. I know he won't cheat on me.
no,
Jadi
dude,
kayak
orangnya udah married 6 tahun aja bisa cheat on people. Like, you don't know shit, bro. Kayak tapi, kayak misalnya gini, let's just pretend kita nggak bisa trust people sepenuhnya. Ada nggak preventionnya? Kayak jadi lu tenang, dia tenang gitu loh. What can that
nggak
be?
bisa sih lebih yang kayak gini kayak ya nggak bisa sih tapi lebih yang kayak lu percaya apa enggak terus misalnya lebih kayak gini ya apakah gini mungkin orang kadang udah LDR kadang pikir adalah coba jalanin dulu ya itu nggak apa berarti kan mereka udah coba jalanin dulu berhasil atau enggak itu kan udah resiko masing-masing karena gue mau coba dulu nih berhasil atau enggak masing-masing ya udah kalau emang nggak berhasil dia udah siap nih untuk enggak gitu ya kan sebenarnya kan di situ kalau dari awal dia udah merasa oh gue nggak bisa nih kayak I have a few friends yang dia bilang oh gue nggak bisa dari awal oke berarti emang udah nggak bisa ya ngapain dicoba lagi kalau mereka merasa nggak bisa tapi kalau lo mau coba lagi berarti kan lo udah tahu oke gue punya risk nih di sini kalau misalnya at some point doesn't work out ya gue nggak mau have to take this risk.
Tapi kalau misalnya, okay, you guys wanna try to work it out, preventif apa yang harus dilakukan? Kayak ada nggak kayak kind of like rules or apa gitu, ada nggak?
I cannot say soalnya gue juga nggak pernah kayak gitu tapi
Kalau
tapi
misalnya
kalau misalnya lo
imagine,
kasih rules misalnya oh lo nggak boleh pulang malam itu kan kebebasan dia makin lo kekang makin maksudnya gue
Jadi-
tahu maksudnya cause I'm one myself jadi kayak makin dikekang tuh makin liar
tapi
Jadi
kalau
susah.
lu nggak kekang, artinya lu kasih kebebasan,
kadang malah lu kasih kebebasan orang itu malah oh
bisa jadi juga.
bisa jadi tapi at some point mungkin kalau orang itu lebih dewasa dia bakal kayak oh gue dikasih kebebasan gue harus manage this trust supaya nggak disia-siain di situ sih balik lagi misalnya gini kalau back then I was younger mungkin kayak 10 years ago I was younger mungkin gue kayak ya udahlah ini aja tapi people gets older orang capek juga kan have gini starting over relationship
Oh,
all this kan
no.
capek
Iya,
juga ya
capek,
jadi
capek.
maksudnya orang kayak kalau udah tahu satu kadang-kadang ini
Anjir.
kenapa
What the fuck? If I gotta say this on the episode, bro. Anyways, I'm wearing shorts.
bagian mananya ya
Iya katanya.
kakinya
Ini baca go, you learn bahasa,
Yeah,
right?
I learned.
How do I say?
Enggak
I
kan?
said
Nggak
like
kanan,
this.
itu nggak kanan banget sih.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Make sure like I cover. Where can you put me that? I didn't wear underwear. I have to rapetin. Anyway.
Oh my god. Aduh.
Emang orang gila dia. Anyway, tadi kita ngomong apa ya? Gue sampai lupa.
Apa tadi kita nyampe mana?
Iya, gue juga jadi lupa amnesia. Where was I?
Long distance.
Oh,
Iya.
kalau gue ya, mungkin I will do some kind of preventive. Kayak misalnya, oh, you have to let me know everywhere you go. Like I have to know that, cause otherwise kayak I don't want kayak dengan gue kasih kebebasan, lu abuse kebebasan yang gue kasih, and I will make a fool out of myself by trusting you to by letting you go gitu loh. Also second of all karena gue nggak bisa long distance karena like I need that person
You
to
need
be
togetherness kan,
physically being there.
Are you physical touch?
I am not, tapi kayak
Quality time.
ya, over the phone bisa berapa lama sih? Kita bisa kan?
Seharian.
You can see. I mean, I make sure the phone is always on.
Bener.
It's okay, Tuyul. Oh ya, namanya juga Reflex Huyen. Tanda ya. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. Another topic that I get is actually ya hilang, Mampius.
Kita mau ini nggak? We listen and we don't judge. Talk about our past.
Okay, yeah, let's do that segment. We listen and we don't judge. Okay, what is it about?
First, I have one.
Hmm.
So remember during pas SD, we used to play Messenger and whatever
Messenger tuh
lah,
apa sih?
MSN Messenger atau Yahoo Messenger.
Hah?
Messenger yang apa MSN
Oh,
sama Yahoo.
Ah.
Terus kalau malam kita suka
Ah.
text each other.
oh ya.
Ji mau main nggak? Oh ya oke. You know why I purposely always ask you to play?
Why?
Because I know you always lose. jadi guys, gue tuh selalu sering banget. Jadi pas gue kelas 3, kelas 4 SD tuh gue sering banget ngajak dia itu main. Main yuk main malam-malam, main. Tapi kenapa gue selalu ngajak dia main? Karena gue tau gue selalu menang. Jadi kalaupun giliran satu kali itu dia menang, dia tuh senang banget. Ih gila gue menang loh.
Oke, academically gue emang jelek sih to be honest. Kayak
Itu gue
I
jago
don't
sih.
play chess. Dan lu cuma mau main chess sama gua karena lu gak bisa main chess. So thank you for your honesty now.
Main apa ya dulu? Kita main itu yang lompat-lompat itu juga kalah.
Otelo.
Iya. Matanya tuh juga sering kalah loh. Aduh, sampai gak ke gue sering kalah. Kayak,
Thank you for your honesty all this time. Karena gue pikir lu genuinely emang mau main sama gua. Dan you only wanna play with me because you know I will always lose and you will always win.
No, I like playing with you, tapi I know you always lose.
Fuck. What a friend.
What a friend.
Kalau ketemu orang-orang kayak gini jangan jadiin temannya guys. Kasihan hidup lo.
Tapi with you we're gonna be best friends till now lah sih, gila sih itu.
Okay. So another one is wait, hold on. Can you touch my mic for a little bit and you can talk more about it? Let me try to do this. Yeah, is there something you want to